Olivia Brailer, licensed loan officer, and in this video module, we're going to talk about how to successfully and intentionally turn your open houses into contracts. When it comes to hosting and marketing an open house, demographic is crucial. Knowing where and who you want to market to is crucial when it comes to getting people through the door. We will talk in one of our other videos about establishing your own demographic, but when hosting or marketing an open house, we like to think of the property you're selling as its own brand. You'll want to consider things like location, home value, and the size of the home. How does it feel when you walk into it? If your price point is above a certain threshold, you might want to consider elevating the open house experience. Things like tastings, appetizers, and maybe even considering changing the vibe of your open house to a broker's open. This will give you the opportunity to invite your colleagues and be able to set expectations of the event as a whole. By being able to include your sphere of influence, consider using your referral partners. Maybe you know a local restaurant owner, wine shop owner, or maybe even a party planner. By you including them, you're getting more marketing, publicity, and you're highlighting a local business. They might even be willing to share in some of the expense. As you're preparing for your open house or broker's open, consider what obstacles your potential homeowners might be walking into. Maybe the exterior of the home needs a little bit of a paint job, or maybe the landscaping isn't exactly where you'd like it to be. Consider moving your open house inside. Pay attention to the time of day. If your open house has amazing city views, don't sleep on the time of day that you're hosting that open house. You want to make sure that potential buyers are getting the full effect of this property. Once you have the brand, tone, and the vibe of your property, make sure you give yourself enough marketing power needed to make it a success. You'll hear in almost every one of our training videos, we reference using a CRM. Although we aren't taking a deep dive into a CRM in this video, we will be deep diving into a CRM in another video training. However, a CRM is crucial in getting the word out quickly and effectively in marketing your open house. Consider using custom resources on our Realtor Resources page. This will give you personalized marketing content that fits the brand that you've already set for your open house. Is the home modern? The marketing needs to reflect that. If the home is more rustic or Italian vibes, you want to be sure that you're not marketing a modern feel. The last thing you want to do is confuse the buyer when they arrive to a completely different brand than what you sold them online. Make sure to utilize the Realtor Resources page for things like single property sites, open house sign-up sheets, and request personalized information for your upcoming event. Consider using a custom sign-up sheet. Above all else, whenever we consider doing anything in marketing and in business, you must do it with the intention of conversion. Your intention is to have someone come in, either represented or unrepresented without an agent, and have them make an offer. That is your call to action. You are in the business of marketing, and your weapon of choice is real estate. Go into all open houses with the question-asking mind frame. People will do business with you in the way that you tell them to do it. Let them know your need for information on the sign-up sheet. Let them know that you need their information when they enter the property so that you can better help them as they're previewing the home. Having a custom sign-in sheet allows you to ask, what is your intention in being here? Are you a cash buyer, maybe an unrepresented buyer, or just a nosy neighbor? This also allows you, once the open house is done, to do your marketing magic. You can download a custom open house sign-in sheet on our Realtor Resources webpage. And just let us know if you want your logo or any personalized information on it. Now that you have all of this info, this is where the magic happens. You'll want to be sure to add all of your contacts from the open house into your CRM. You can sort them with intention and now contact them specifically to their situation. Your CRM can help you set up non-sales campaigns, simply thanking them for coming, introducing yourself in a personal way, and just reminding them of who you are. From there, you have the platform to be honest and deliver your call to action. Your call to action after an open house is that you are their resource and their connector. If you are consistently just delivering sales content to your prospective buyer, you run the risk of losing them altogether. Would we like to say that your CRM can convert prospective buyers into contracts? Sure, that would be really nice. However, no amount of marketing you ever do will substitute you picking up the phone and calling them after you put them into your CRM, thanking them personally for coming, whether they are a prospective buyer or an agent. Open houses are an amazing tool if done correctly. Here are some key things to remember. Open houses should never be casual, but always intentional. Consider using a personalized sign-in sheet. The open house is your time to deliver your shining moments, but what you do after is actually the magic. If you like this video and like the content that we have on here, please be sure to subscribe. By subscribing, you will get up-to-date content that's always changing. And make sure to check out our Realtor Resources page. Having a personalized marketing arsenal at your fingertips will take a lot of the guesswork out of the marketing experience and let you get back to what you do best. Again, this is Olivia Brayler. Both myself and my team are here to blend your already amazing industry skills with new digital ideas and innovation to help support your growth and sales. Stay tuned for the next video.